glass. It's the most amazing of substances. Strong enough to surround skyscrapers, yet so thin as to appear transparent. Clean Coat technology from Kohler keeps the beauty of your shower glass sparkling. Water and dirt run off in droplets, keeping surfaces clean. With regular maintenance, you'll easily preserve the beauty and style that first drew you to the bold look of Kohler. What's more, Clean Coat allows you to enjoy your shower with a clear conscience, as this innovative technology reduces the need for harsh cleaners. Another example of Kohler's devotion to exceptional product performance. How does it work? Clean Coat combines cutting-edge chemistry with materials science and process engineering. Specialized nanoparticles organize themselves evenly in an ultra-thin layer. Binding particles attach to the tempered safety glass. Repellent particles organize toward the surface, deflecting water. By comparison, water droplets on untreated surfaces tend to calcify in place, creating unsightly residue. Clean Coat prevents such adhesion. Simply wipe clean with a soft cloth and make a fresh start. Clean Coat technology. The best is what you expect from Kohler.